Now students, let's move on to the chapter number 5, exponents. So let's first revise what is this. When a number, how can we read this? We can read it like 7 raised to the power 3. 7 की पावर क्या है? 3 है. Now this number is known as base or exponent. Okay, this is base or exponent, and this is here is known as power, and we read it as 7 raised to the power 3. Here we have minus 6 and 3, so we can read it as minus 6 raised to the power 3, and we can write it as, how do we open the powers? We just multiply that number, we multiply the base, जितनी पावर होती है उतनी बार. Okay, if we have 4 raised to the power 3, then how many times we will multiply 4? 3 times. If we have 5 raised to the power 7, then we will multiply 5 7 times. Okay, 7 times. Solve it, it is, and then we can solve it. Friends, we have to evaluate minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. So how do you solve it? Multiply the base. This number here, this whole number, ये पूरा जो number है, it will be base. And how many times we will multiply it by? Multiply it 3 times, because power is 3. So we will multiply it by 3 times. Okay. Now solve. Multiply the numerator. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And here see the minus sign. Minus minus plus. But this minus will remain same here. Both these minus make the positive, but this remain here as it is, so it will come in the answer. Suppose we have to find the minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power 2. So what will you do? You will multiply minus 4 upon 5 2 times, because power is 2. Multiply the numerator, you got 16 upon 25. Now this minus minus makes the plus, so here we will not put any sign. It is positive. Student, here we have to express in the exponential form. Exponential form means in the form of this number and power. In the form of powers, we have to express this number. So what we will do? We will first find the factors of 81. Do the prime factorization of both the numbers. Okay, let's do it. Now class, after finding the after doing their prime factorization, we will write what are the factors of 81. We got 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, and here how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 2s we got 2 into 2 into 2. Now see class, we have written the factors of each number. Now here we can write as 3 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 8, right? Now अब हम दोनों को common power में तो लिख नहीं पाएंगे. We have to write in the form of a upon b, and power सेम होनी चाहिए दोनों की. So what we will do? See here, this is 4 4 4 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. अब 4 4 के कितने ग्रुप बन गए? 4. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4 and 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Here we can write as 4 raised to the power 4. Now अब दोनों numbers की power same है, so we can write it as this. Now student, we will learn some laws of exponent. Okay, see here, a upon b raised to the power m. So ये power इस a की भी है और ये b की भी. Now see, for example, if we have 3 upon 4 raised to the power 5 or raised to the power, let's see, 2. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2 and 4 raised to the power 2, and we can solve it likewise. Okay, 3 की power 2 थी, तो 3 into 3 4 की power भी 2 है, then 4 into 4 it is 9 upon 16. तो अगर किसी रेशनल नंबर की पावर होगी ऐसे, तो वो दोनों की पावर होगी, न्यूमरेटर की भी और डिनोमिनेटर की भी. नाउ लेट्स सी लॉ नंबर सेकेंड. लॉ सेकेंड इज a upon b raised to the power m, a upon b raised to the power m. See here the bases are same. When the bases are same, their powers get add up. So दोनों base same थे, a upon b, we write a upon b and add the powers. Now see example, 4 upon 5 raised to the power 7 into 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. What can you do here? See the bases are same, bases are 4 upon 5 in the each case, so it is 4 upon 5. Base remain the same. What will you do with powers? You add them. 7 plus minus 3. एक power 7 and second power is minus 3. Now solve it. 4 upon 5. Here plus minus is minus, so 7 minus 3 and it will be 4 upon 3 power 4. Now solve it. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, and you can solve it. Okay, so basically when the bases are same, you add up the powers. Now class C, law number 3rd. Here the bases are same but they are in division. Okay, when the bases are same and there is division in them, what you do? The base will remain the same, you just subtract the powers. Let's see an example here. We have minus 3 upon 7. Its power is 5. Or say its power is 2. Divide by minus 3 upon 7 and its power is minus 1. Okay. Now the bases are same and are in division. So how can we solve them? The base will remain the same and the powers will get subtracted. 2 minus minus 1. So it will be minus 3 upon 7, 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 1, it is minus 3 upon 7 raised to the power 3. Next law is a upon b and its power is negative. So whenever the power is in negative, do the reciprocal और power क्या हो जाएगी? Positive. Here a number 1 upon 4 is given and its power is minus 6. So what can you do? You can do minus 4 upon 1 and its power will be 6. And you can write it like this. And we will solve it further. Minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, we can write it like this. Next, students, see, we have here power of power. A upon b की power m और उसकी power n. Here we have power of power. So when we have power of power, we multiply them. M into n. 3 upon 4 power 3. And its power is minus 2. So how can you solve it? 3 upon 4, 3 into minus 2. You multiply the powers. It is 3 upon 4. 3 into 2 is 6 and minus 2 था इसलिए minus 6. And whenever the power is in negative, we do the reciprocal and make the power positive. So it is it. Now we have next law, a upon b raised to the power 0. See, whenever we have 0 power of any number, it becomes 1. We have minus 3 upon 11 power 0, it will be 1. Minus 1 1 1 7 upon this and its power is 0. So whenever the power is 0, it becomes 1. Here a upon b raised to the power minus 1. So whenever the power is in minus, we do the reciprocal. See class, power 1 means this. So whenever we have a upon b or say any number, we have minus 5 upon 11 and power minus 1. So we can simply write it as 5 minus 11 upon minus 5. Just reciprocal करके छोड़ दिया, because minus 1 reciprocal होने के बाद plus 1 हो जाएगा and plus 1 we can write it like this.